First, you want to go down to Lowe's. Pick up a 17-gallon or 27-gallon Rubbermaid bin. Then grab a little high-density foam. Probably everything you buy every day from Amazon comes in it. All right, so we got that in the bottom. Now, chainsaw itself. No fuel, no oil, no spikes. Trash bag number one, just a regular kitchen trash bag. These are scented. Why does that matter? Because if this smells like fuel, or the package does, in any way, at any point during its shipment from Columbus to Australia, they will pull it out of the line of packages and it will sit wherever it is that it got pulled until such time as a postal worker, who are maybe not the most fastidious dudes, contacts you to let you know that you need to arrange for private transportation of your package, because they will not ship it anywhere because it smells like gas. I prefer to wrap it in tape at this point. Second layer is the 42-gallon 5mm yard bags. Is it expensive for a trash bag? Yeah, probably. Is it worth it? Oh yeah. You'd cut up a body and ship it overseas in this and no one would ever know. And again, I prefer to tape it. For any of you guys that do a lot of shipping, 3M ergonomic tape gun. It's cheap and it works better than any of the couple dozen different ones we've tried over the years. All right, now if you were using a cardboard box and didn't have high density foam in the bottom, at this point, we would wrap the whole thing in 2 layers of the 1-inch bubble wrap. Because we're going to take up all the airspace in our bin with other product, we don't need to do that in this case. Saw goes in first. Just want to make sure the lid will close. Bar should be next. Actually, we'll lay the bar flat in the bottom. It does fit in this case. Next, we start adding the pistons and carburetors. Now, we've got some flats, some t-shirts, which can obviously be any shape, and a couple race chains. Another video sometime, I'll show you guys how to properly wrap those. I see them get shipped in just ridiculous ways. Figure a guy's gonna spend $200, $300, $400 on a chain that somebody spent 10, 20, 30 hours making. You'd at least really want to protect it nicely so it didn't beat the crap out of itself being shipped. Some more of our Amazon high density foam. Try and pack it in pretty much everywhere so that there's no empty space for stuff to move. Keep in mind that the lid does intrude into this cavity a little bit. Next up, zip ties, big ones. You want one on each corner. You want the excess part of the zip tie to point across the top. That way, when we cut it short, when the carrier handles this package, he's not going to get stabbed by the part that hangs over. You're probably saying, Dave, you're pretty fucking OCD, but nobody gives a shit about that. Well, you know, you stab the UPS guy in the hand, he may just go ahead and throw your package off the side of the plane. Oops, we'll pick that up and deliver it to your customer. And now when your customer sees it, he thinks, that Dave's a douchebag, does not know how to package a chainsaw. I never want to hear that from a customer. There are now other holes in the top. I will zip tie them shut just with smaller zip ties. Next up, we're going to trim all the loose ends. Again, do we have to? Probably not, but when somebody's handling this package, if it looks like the guy who sent it gives a shit, it may accidentally trick the person handling it into giving a tiny, tiny shit. Well, there's part one. Now we gotta label this bitch. I'll be right back. Okay, Marv and I are back to do the final stage of this. We have stickers that say fragile and heavy. Put one of these stickers on all 6 sides. Then, because it's an international package, this is your customs form as well as your postage label. For that reason I use 3. I want to try and have the barcode as flat as possible. That's about it. It's time to drop this bad boy off at the post office, and hope the $300 in postage gets it there safe and sound in about 3 to 5 days all the way around the world. Have a great day.